Welcome to Mars, the red planet, the neighbor we can't stop staring at. Today, we're bringing you 30 mind-blowing, funny, and lesser-known facts about this rusty world. Buckle up for a wild ride. Fact 1. Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It's about 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Talk about a mountain with an ego. Fact 2. Mars is only half the size of Earth, but don't let its size fool you. It has enough personality to keep NASA busy for decades. Fact 3. Mars and Earth are like cosmic pen pals. Every 2 years they get really close, making Mars missions cheaper. Who doesn't love a good discount? Fact 4. Once upon a time, Mars had rivers and lakes. Now it's a dry desert. The kind of place where you'd need SPF 1000 sunscreen and a lot of water, if you could find any. Fact 5. Mars landings are tough. Some missions have ended with Mars saying, "Thanks for the visit, but no touchdown for you." Fact 6. Mars has the craziest dust storms, sometimes covering the entire planet for weeks. Imagine trying to vacuum that up. You'd need a Mars-sized Roomba. Fact 7. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, which look more like space potatoes. They're small, irregular, and clearly didn't get the round planet memo. Fact 8. Believe it or not, sunsets on Mars are blue. It's like the planet's personal Instagram filter. #Mars vibes. Fact 9. Rovers love selfies. NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance have taken hundreds of them. We get it. Mars is a great backdrop. Fact 10. Mars has polar ice caps. They're mostly made of dry ice. Just don't think about making snowmen unless you want them to evaporate instantly. Fact 11. Mars used to have a thicker atmosphere, but it lost most of it over time. And now it's more like the planets on a permanent diet. Fact 12. Mars' gravity is 38% that of Earth. So if you weigh 100 pounds here, you'd weigh only 38 pounds there. Perfect for anyone wanting to feel lighter. Take that, Earth scales. Fact 13. Mars has rocks that look suspiciously like faces, animals, and even pyramids. Proof of aliens? Nope, just a planet with a sense of humor. Fact 14. Mars has dust devils. These mini tornadoes spin around like they're auditioning for a Martian dance competition. Fact 15. In winter, Mars gets frost, but not the kind you'd scrape off your car. It's frozen carbon dioxide, aka dry ice. How cool is that? Fact 16. A day on Mars, or a sol, is only about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. More time to sleep in, right? Fact 17. A year on Mars is nearly twice as long as on Earth, 687 days. Good luck celebrating your birthday every 23 months. Fact 18. Mars has some serious battle scars. It's covered in craters from asteroid impacts, making it look like the universe's punching bag. Fact 19. One day humans might live on Mars. Just don't forget your spacesuit. It's cold, dry, and the air's about as breathable as, well, nothing. Fact 20. Mars is super dusty. A thin layer of iron oxide covers the surface, giving it that signature red look. Mars always rocking the rusty chic. Fact 21. The atmosphere on Mars is 95% carbon dioxide. So if you're planning on visiting, pack your own oxygen or practice holding your breath. Fact 22. Scientists are still drilling for signs of life. So far, Mars is more empty desert than alien hotspot. But who knows what's hiding beneath? Fact 23. Mars may have had oceans covering a third of its surface. Now it's as dry as your friend's sense of humor. Fact 24. Some scientists think we could terraform Mars and make it habitable. Basically Earth 2.0, if you're willing to wait a few thousand years. Fact 25. It takes anywhere from 4 to 24 minutes for a message from Mars to reach Earth. So if you text your Martian friend, don't expect an instant reply. Fact 26. Mars has seasons just like Earth, thanks to its tilted axis. But each season lasts about twice as long. Get ready for extra long winters. Fact 27. While Olympus Mons is the biggest, Mars has plenty of other volcanoes too. Though they've all been dormant for millions of years. Guess they're on an extended vacation. Fact 28. Mars' core has cooled, which is why it doesn't have a magnetic field like Earth. So, no auroras for Mars, just a lot of red dust. Fact 29. If humans ever colonize Mars, they'll have to live in domes or underground to avoid radiation. So, who's up for some underground living? Fact 30. Mars may be cold and harsh, but it's our next big hope for exploration. So let's give it a warm round of applause, even if it can't hear us. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and remember, Mars is waiting. Like, literally, it's not